We got a robin over in the drying tree, as I like to call it. They like to take a bath in this water. I guess I missed them. They'll take a bath, the robins, and then they have their own little drying tree here. They sit in and fluff up and get some sun. There was just 2 others in the tree, but I missed them. How cute. Yeah. Oh boy, he's going for it. All puffed up. So cute. They can make themselves look so tiny, and then they can make themselves like all big and puffed up. Cute. Yeah, go for it, buddy. Aw. He's a little sweetie. Drink tea, people. Do it. Drink the tea. This has been a message from your sponsors. Drink tea. Hear that slurp? Heck yeah. That is the good stuff. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Here he comes to wreck the day. As long as we're out here, get a little shot of the daffodils. For Cynthia, gotta get another block because they have already destroyed this one in a matter of days. How pretty. Oof, the wind's a little chilly. I love it. I love these stalks that are just going for it. They're like, yeah, I know I'm already in bloom, but I'm just gonna jut 6 feet straight into the air because I feel like it. Hell yeah, you go for it, girl. You're beautiful. Wow, look at you go. Congratulations on all of your success. All right, see you guys later.